Hello everyone. So while working on SolidWorks, so if you find this kind of issue, that is SolidWorks Simulation is unable to create a report because it failed to instantiate Microsoft Word. So what we need to do, so it shows again, please make sure that you have a proper installation of Microsoft Word 2003 or later. Even though if you are using Microsoft Office of the version above than 2003, you will face the issue. The thing is, you might be uninstalled previously using Microsoft Office, that is 2016 or 2013 or 2019 version, and you have switched to Microsoft Office 365. So the main reason is Microsoft Office 365 will not support SolidWorks. We need to remember that. So if you are dealing with the Microsoft Office 365, you need to remember it doesn't support activities on SolidWorks. To deal with this, we can able to check here the system requirements for 2020, 2019 and 2021. The Microsoft Office should be of 2013, 2016 and 2019. So for 2021 it is 2016 and 2019. So these version if you are using, so it will support this kind of issues, so you don't need to worry about it. So automatically it gonna fetch Microsoft Office into account. Yeah, so in this case you need to just install Microsoft Office 2016 and 2019 if it is there. After that, this issue will be resolved.